I'm Andrew Diplock. I'm Managing Director of UES Energy, a company based in Caerphilly, and we help our clients make better decisions around their energy procurement and the buying of energy, and also how they manage their contracts on an ongoing basis. In a word, responsible business is about integrity for us, and it's central to the way we do business. What we do is very competitive, and we see, the adoption of good, responsible business practice as a key differentiator, and it's been part of our sort of fundamental growth strategy, for the business over the last 5 years. What we've done in this business, is quite wide-ranging around the sort of responsible business practice, and it includes community involvement, education involvement, and basically nurturing our staff to be part of the company vision. One of the things I'm personally very passionate about is the liaison with schools and the nurturing of young entrepreneurs to sort of go into business from a very young age. Something that makes us very proud here is to be able to serve clients in a far better way than some much larger companies. And as a small company, we can adapt quite quickly to the changing needs and provide an excellent level of service to add value to those organisations. Yeah, the impact's been quite sort of tremendous in our business over our 10 years of existence, and that meant that we've been able to differentiate in our marketplace and also sort of contribute to quite sustainable growth over that period.
I think certainly when I'm looking for a kind of a company to work with, it's important that they have kind of ethics and core values, and I think certainly at UES we have those. We really kind of believe in our staff, and we really support and develop them, and that's true with kind of the way we work with our clients as well.
What makes us different is again centred around the integrity of our business operation. We are absolutely transparent with our clients, and we're absolutely centred around adding value in every way possible. In 2011, we reached an incredible milestone for the business, which was to achieve, over £1 million turnover, which was an incredible sort of achievement for myself and the team in the business. And we plan to enhance and grow as a business and hopefully double our turnover again in the next 2 years.